Hello, my name is Matthew Peifer with Peifer Access Solutions, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how cyber keys communicate with the server that they belong to.
Alright, first I want to talk about how these vaults work. Now traditionally with Cyberlock it is a key-centric system, which means the key and the lock are offline devices. That means that there's no wire connected to them. But these vaults are a special case. These are online devices. This has constant power and constant network run to it. And that allows it to talk to the server on a constant basis. So the keys that are held inside here are completely blank until I tell it who I am. And I can tell it who I am with an RFID card or with a PIN number that we enter manually. Okay? Now, an important distinction about these RFID cards, this reader that is on the face here is a single technology reader. So in order to use existing cards, we would probably need to do some testing before we could tell you yes or no, we can use those. But to show you how this works, we can touch the screen. We can enter our PIN number. It'll program our key. Shows us which key is ours. Our key is beeping. Now this key belongs to me. And it'll be programmed for whatever your administrator sets it up for. Currently this one is only good for 5 minutes to work this test padlock here. And you see when you present the key to the padlock, it works, opens it. Then when you're done for the day, you come back to the vault, you enter your same PIN number, and the vault just wants you to return your key. Put it in, downloads all your information, wipes that key back out, and now it's ready for the next person to check out. Alright, so we had one particular customer that wanted to use a special feature of this vault that I just wanted to highlight real quick. So I've checked out my key for the day. And this one is assigned to me individually. And someone else with our company has checked out a separate key with his individual PIN code. Okay, so this padlock is set up to be a little bit extra secure. It can't be opened by just me or just him. It requires both of us. So we can check our keys out from this vault here, and then when I present my key to the padlock, it will beep. He can present his key to the padlock. It will beep once, letting me know that the first key can then go in it and operate. This is multi-key authentication, and there are special case situations where it can be very useful for your facility. All right, next up I'd like to talk a little bit about the different types of keys and the other ways that we can communicate. So I've got a couple different devices here that can connect directly to a computer. Now this will only work on Windows operating systems, but we've got a USB station here. It's got similar to a printer plug and just USB on the end. So this can plug directly into your computer, and it's got the same tip here as regular cyber keys. So any cyber key can plug into this and update. And then I've got here just a standard micro USB cable. What's on a lot of Android devices, that the RxD2 key, the rechargeable cyber key, specifically the 2, does have a port on the back, you see there. And that can plug in to the key itself, and you can just plug the key straight into a computer. So, again, this RxD2 key is the only one that can be plugged in directly. All the other keys, such as this IR7 here, which is a battery replaceable key, would just plug into this USB communicator, and it would do its job then.
Alright, and the last thing I want to go over here is what it looks like on the computer itself. Again, this will only work in Windows operating systems, but we've got a separate program here called Cyberlink 2. And you can download this on any machine. It doesn't have access to make changes to your system, just communicates with the server, updates keys, and things of that nature. So when you plug your key in, goes through a few menus, only takes about a second or two, and then it tells you success, and it gives you information about the key you've plugged in, such as serial number, firmware, battery life. Again, this has been how cyber keys communicate. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.